Bitcoin stays above $43,000, Ether dips below $2,300. World Funds Trust submits 6 Bitcoin ETF filings with US SEC. South Korea proposes ban on credit card payments for cryptocurrencies. Crypto hack losses declined 51% in 2023. CBOE gives nod to Fidelity Bitcoin ETF listing, SEC remains quiet. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as talks of the US SEC rejecting spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds surfaced, triggering massive liquidation pressure. Bitcoin dropped below $43,000 crucial levels. Ruji Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 6% at 54,530 points. In other news, the Singapore-based digital asset firm Matrix Port published a report forecasting the SEC to reject all spot Bitcoin ETF applications, overturning its Tuesday outlook, projecting an imminent approval and a BTC rally to $50,000. The details around ETF's approval spurred liquidation of $500 million worth of positions across derivatives exchanges. In an interesting piece of news, Fidelity Investments, the $4.5 trillion asset manager, has once again filed for SEC registration of a spot Bitcoin ETF, marking a significant step towards the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies. In December 2023, the cryptocurrency market reached a major milestone worldwide. According to the data, the monthly trading volume surpassed $1 trillion for the first time since September 2022. On the economic front, the minutes of the Federal Reserve's December meeting revealed that interest rates cut are likely in 2024. Goldman Sachs, the high-profile Wall Street investment bank, looks like to play a key role of being an unauthorized participant for BlackRock and Grayscale's Bitcoin ETFs. Meanwhile, observers believe the SEC will approve spot Bitcoin ETFs and the chances of the same are 98%. Interestingly, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has experienced a significant decrease in its supply on exchange platforms, reaching an all-time low since its genesis. The altcoin supply on exchanges now accounts for 8.04% of its total supply, the lowest level since Genesis. Layer 1 blockchain Solana has achieved significant milestones in the crypto community, surpassing Ethereum in 7-day stablecoin trading volume for the first time ever. Solana's stablecoin transfers reached $103 billion, outperforming all other networks, analysts said. Moving on, data from L2 Beats revealed a massive surge in Arbitrum's total value locked, crossing $10 billion for the first time, marking an increase of 16%. Since its inception, Arbitrum has dominated the Layer 2 market. The Ethereum Name Service, or ENS, saw a remarkable rise in the value of its governance token of more than 50% after Ethereum co-founder commented that the service is super important. However, Vitalik also highlighted that importance of ENS domains across Layer 2 blockchains, which will enhance the user experience across decentralized finance. Other large-cap tokens such as XRP, Solana, Cardano, DogeCoin, etc. were seen sitting on huge losses. US stock futures were trading lower after the Nasdaq Composite fell for a fourth straight trading day. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose by 21 points or 0.06%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures ticked higher by 0.06% and 0.7% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $42,285, down 5.5%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 6.8%, trading at $2,213. BNB was down by 3.3% to trade at $320. Solana SOL was down 10.3% and was trading at $97.4. Cardano's ADA token was down by 8.8% to trade at $0.56. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $36.4, lower 11%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 13% to trade at $0.85. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 10.5% at $0.082. Shiba Inu was trading down by 10%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.57, down by 9.5%. Polkadot was down by 11% to trade at $7.6.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. In yet another development in the spot Bitcoin ETF space, a new applicant approached the US SEC with the Form N1A, joining the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity in the fray for the first ever spot ETF approval in the US. On Jan 3, 2024, the World Funds Trust filed for 6 spot BTC ETF applications with Tuttle Capital as the investment advisor to the fund. The 6 filings comprise 3 each of leveraged and inverse BTC ETFs. Importantly, these filings mention that the proposed ETFs intend to use the proposed iShares Spot Bitcoin ETF filed by investment manager BlackRock. Well, these funds are said to be different from the other spot ETFs in that they are riskier because the funds aim to magnify the performance of an exchange-traded fund that seeks to replicate the performance of Bitcoin, in this case, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. South Korea's top financial regulator is proposing to change the country's credit finance laws to prohibit local citizens from purchasing cryptocurrency with credit cards. In a Jan 3 legislative notice, the country's Financial Services Commission cited concerns about illegal outflows and money laundering that could come with South Korean citizens buying cryptocurrency from foreign exchanges. Under current laws, local crypto exchanges only allow transactions between virtual assets through deposit and withdrawal accounts where the user's identity can be verified, but these rules don't apply to foreign crypto exchanges. The financial services regulator is now seeking public input on the proposal, which will last until Feb 13. It is expected to go through a review and resolution process and aims to be implemented in the first half of 2024. Over $1.8 billion in digital assets were lost across 751 security incidents in 2023. While the amount is still huge, it is 51% lower than in 2022, when losses to hacks and other incidents reached $3.7 billion. The data comes from blockchain security firm Certic's annual report titled Hacked, the Web3 Security Report 2023. On Jan 3, the security company compiled a document highlighting the state of Web3 security over the last year. Within the report, the company noted that the third quarter of 2023 recorded the most losses at over $686 million. Furthermore, private key comprises continued to be the most costly attack vector. In 2023, over $880 million were lost to 47 incidents where private keys were compromised. When it comes to blockchains, the Ethereum network recorded the most losses. According to Certic's report, Ethereum saw $686 million in losses across 224 incidents with an average of $3 million per incident. On the other hand, BNB Chain recorded 387 security incidents, but the total losses were only $134 million, much lower than Ethereum's figure. In addition, cross-chain interoperability remains a pain point for crypto. The security report highlighted that losses were almost $800 million in security breaches affecting multiple blockchains. United States-based CBOE has given the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund the nod to be listed under the FBTC ticker, according to a new Securities and Exchange Fund filing. However, the SEC has so far continued to maintain silence on the developments. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, in a filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission on the 3rd of Jan, stated it planned to register its shares as securities listed on the CBOE BZX exchange. However, the filing, while part of the entire process of registering an ETF, does not suggest the SEC would give its approval to the investment vehicle. The SEC has a week before it needs to approve, delay, or reject its decisions regarding a spot Bitcoin ETF. The Securities and Exchange Commission has never approved a spot Bitcoin ETF for listing and trading on a US exchange. This is despite several applications from asset managers including Invesco, Galaxy, Bitwise, WisdomTree, Fidelity, VanEck, and Valkyrie. However, the SEC has given the green light for investment vehicles linked to Bitcoin and Ether futures. Industry watchers believe that a spot Bitcoin ETF approval could drive crypto adoption and the acceptance of blockchain technology. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Solana. Layer 1 blockchain Solana has surpassed Ethereum in 7-day stablecoin trading volume for the first time, with stablecoin transfers reaching $103 billion. Ethereum secured the second position with $90.9 billion, followed by Tron with $82.3 billion and BNB Chain with $14.6 billion. Solana-based USDC overtakes Tron-based USDT as the most transacted stablecoin by volume. In December, Solana surpassed Ethereum in NFT trade volumes, hosting trades worth $366.6 million. However, today, Solana was trading at $98, down near 5% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Chainlink. Chainlink's performance in 2023 was impressive, with analysts highlighting the project's development and its potential for growth in 2024. The company's focus on the Oracle network, which connects blockchains with off-chain data, has been a significant focus in the crypto market. Chainlink's involvement in real-world assets has seen a significant rise in adoption, with the market cap of real-world assets category growing to $33.22 billion. The rise in adoption was not solely due to Chainlink's involvement, but also contributions of Avalanche and Internet Computer. The rise in adoption of real-world assets has led to a significant increase in Chainlink's social dominance, making it a promising project for the crypto market. The company's development and focus on real-world assets have contributed to its success in 2024. However, today Link was trading at $14.28, down near 8% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. Arbitrum One's total value locked has risen 15.9% to $10.22 billion in the past 7 days, making it the first Layer 2 network to surpass the $10 billion TVL mark. This achievement follows a partial outage on December 15th due to Bitcoin ordinals-inspired inscriptions. Arbitrum One contributes significantly to the total TVL of the Ethereum Layer 2 networks, accounting for 48.03% of the total. The network holds a diversified asset portfolio with 30.9% in Ethereum, 23.68% in Arbitrum, 29.66% allocated to stablecoins, and 15.76% spread across other assets. The Arbi token has seen a 14.3% increase in value over the past 24 hours. Arbitrum One's success is also attributed to its ability to replicate Ethereum's experience while offering low transaction costs, attracting a large number of decentralized applications. Arbitrum was trading at $1.9, down near 2% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Bonk. Bonk has seen a 6% price rise in the meme coin market over the past 2 months, with over 110 integrations in dApps across gaming and DeFi. This growth demonstrates its growing adoption within the Solana ecosystem and its potential practical applications. The increase in integrations is a positive sign for Bonk holders, as it could help cement its position as the third largest meme coin globally. Bonk's robust community, managed by a DAO focused on future governance decisions, contributes to its impressive performance. Despite its volatility, Bonk has shown potential for a recovery, setting it up for an exciting start to 2024. Bonk was trading at $13, down in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Ethereum Name Service. The governance token of the Ethereum Name Service, also known as ENS, surged by as much as 72% on January 3 after Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin mentioned it in a post on X. Buterin wrote that ENS is super important and emphasized that the need for the service to remain accessible and affordable to all users of the Ethereum network, especially those on the Layer 2 networks. All Layer 2s should be working on trustless, Merkle-proof based CCIP resolvers so that we have ENS subdomains registerable, updatable, and readable directly on Layer 2s. Buterin's comments highlight the importance of ENS in the Ethereum ecosystem, as it provides a user-friendly way to interact with the network. ENS allows users to purchase a ETH domain name, which can replace the complex string of letters and numbers that typically comprise a user's wallet address. Shortly after Buterin's tweet, the price of ENS surged from a yearly low of $8.5 to reach an 8-month high of $14.69, according to CoinMarketCap data. ENS was trading at $14, up near 44% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.